Hello and welcome to COVID-19 News Bulletin brought to you by Qatar Media Corporation. His Excellency Prime Minister and Minister of Interior Sheikh Khalid bin Khalifa bin Abdulaziz Al Thani on Wednesday chaired the regular cabinet meeting through video conferencing. During the meeting, the cabinet made amendments changing working hours for employees in the government sector to 7 hours per day, starting from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. The decision is effective from Sunday, 14th of June. The Cabinet also amended the decision on non-essential medical services in health facilities, now allowing 40% of the capacity of private healthcare facilities to operate. The decision is effective from Monday, 15th of June until further notice. The Ministry of Public Health reported 1,716 new confirmed cases of coronavirus and 1,844 recoveries over the last 24 hours. This takes the total number of recovered patients in Qatar to 49,413. The ministry also reported that 4 people died due to the virus. The ministry extends its condolences to the families of the deceased. The Ministry of Endowments and Islamic Affairs has announced the reopening of some mosques starting from June 15th, with the exception of Friday prayers. The reopening will follow specific precautionary measures issued by the ministry to curb the spread of COVID-19. The mosques will open after the call for prayer, ablutions will have to be performed at home, mask will be mandatory for entry, the E'tiraz app will be checked before entry, and worshippers will be required to bring their own prayer mats and Qurans so as not to share it with others. His Excellency Dr. Ibrahim bin Saleh Al Nuaimi, Under-Secretary of the Ministry of Education and Higher Education, made an inspection visit to the General Secondary Certificate Control Committees at Sumaya and Hafsa School for Girls, where he was briefed on the progress of the work of correcting tests, monitoring grades and commitment to implementing precautionary measures within the control halls. All supervisors and workers in these committees praised the extent of cooperation shown by members of the control committees and the commitment in executing the precautionary measures in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Ministry of Administrative Development, Labour and Social Affairs requests owners of institutions and companies that have employees that are required to work outdoors to prohibit working hours from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. ensure employees don't work more than 5 hours during the daytime, and that companies should assess the risk of heat stress due to the summer heat. This decision will be effective from June 15th and will continue until August 31st. Qatar Red Crescent Society has developed an ambitious plan to expand the medical convoys program that it carries out annually. The move aims to provide healthcare and specialized surgeries for patients in countries stricken or lacking medical capabilities. The move is also funded by philanthropists in the state of Qatar. Qatar Red Crescent said that it intends to send 26 medical convoys to 10 countries. The total number of beneficiaries is expected to be more than 14,000 patients. With that, we wrap up today's COVID-19 bulletin. For more updates, you can follow us on our social media platforms at COVID-19 Qatar, and detailed news can be found at our website, covid19qatar.info. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll be back with more news updates tomorrow. Take care.